Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. In case you have a resolution or two going, an e-bike can help get you started with biking to get fit. The great portable line from Blaupunkt. They fold and weigh under 50 pounds and are beautifully designed, let you set how much assist you need from the powerful motor, maybe just on those hills. And they're partnering with some universities for limited edition models in school colors, Clemson and Georgia Tech for starters. Again, they are lightweight, folding, have removable batteries, you get up to 45 miles on a charge, and are very well made and designed. We've been impressed. Pricing starts at about $1,500 at bpamericas.com. Because of the folding capability, you can avoid the expense of an add-on bike carrier. Again, there's more at bpamericas.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.